that's a conversation I make sure we always have. And honestly, customers have become much more informed than when I first started. So it's usually one of the first things that a customer is going to ask us is like, is everything in here kiln dried? And what do you kiln dry to? And then we'll look at the piece and make sure, that there's no moisture. But I'll even suggest to them, make sure, in your process, make sure you're checking as well. So that if there is something that by chance we happen to miss, we can do it early on and kind of either spend some more time drying it ourselves because it's our problem, or replace the wood for them. But yeah, it's pretty crucial. If somebody comes in and they're very new to wood, I try to have that discussion because a lot of people feel like that information isn't always like the most common knowledge in the woodworking world, especially if you're new to it. So I try to have that conversation every time somebody comes in that's new and just let them know this is what's happening. And because a lot of times they'll come in with stories of purchasing wood, like, oh, I found this super cheap wood on, a listing. And then I took it home and I put it together and the thing just warped and cracked and did all this stuff. And I was like, oh yeah, well, this has to be kiln dried. They're like, well, I had no idea, Yeah, I would definitely start with some of those questions, like to make sure that everything that you're purchasing from them has been kiln dried. Ask them ask them what they kiln dry to. And if you're still like uncertain if they're knowledgeable on that, I would ask them if they have a meter and they can put it on it before you take it out, which we gladly do for anybody that comes in here. If they're unsure, they want to be reassured of the moisture content, we'll pull our meter out and just right on the spot check everything so they know what's happening. I think that's pretty crucial. You can also ask them what their drying process is. Even if you're not super familiar, at least that will help you familiarize yourself with how they're going to do it. Yeah, I think that's pretty important.